Hello and welcome to my channel AprilFlower. I am Tushara. It's the time of harvest festival in India. Whether you're celebrating Sankranti, Lori or Pongal, the dishes made during this time feature sesame seeds, peanuts, sugarcane or jaggery as the main ingredients. So here is a very simple laddu recipe which is easy to make and healthy as well. That is peanuts and sesame seed laddu. So let's see how to make it. These are the three main ingredients required for the laddu. I have taken here equal amounts of sesame seeds, that is till. This is the white variety. Peanuts, also known as groundnuts, and jaggery. All these three are around 1.5 cups or approximately 200 grams. The trick is to take equal measurements of all the three ingredients. And these are the optional ingredients. For flavor, I like to add cardamom powder. For that, here I have taken 5 green cardamoms and around a tablespoon of ghee, that is clarified butter. To begin with, I'm going to dry roast the peanuts on a pan. So you can skip this process if you already have roasted peanuts, but make sure that they're unsalted variety. So I'm going to roast it on medium to high heat. It's been about 10 minutes now and the peanuts are roasted very well. You'll see that the outer skin easily comes off. So now we'll switch off the stove. In the second step, we will dry roast the sesame seeds. Now you have to keep the heat at medium to low and just roast them for about 3 to 4 minutes. You need not brown them, just so that the nutty flavor of the sesame seeds is released, and keep continuously stirring so that they do not get burnt. Alright, the sesame seeds have been roasting for about 3 to 4 minutes and they have released a nice nutty flavor. At this point, we will switch off the stove and transfer it onto a plate and allow it to cool. Once the peanuts have cooled down, we need to remove the outer skin. For that, I'll just take a handful of them and rub in between my palms, and the skin will come off easily. In the next step, we'll blend the peanuts into a coarse powder with the help of a mixer or blender. Make sure not to blend it for too long because the oil may separate from the peanuts and it will become a little pasty and you won't be able to make laddus. So this is how it should look, a little coarse. If you try to make it a smooth powder, it will start releasing oil. So this is how we want it. So you will get a nice bite in the laddu as well. Next we're going to blend the sesame seeds as well into a coarse powder. Take care not to blend them for too long. This is how the sesame seed powder looks. Next we'll powder the cardamom. So this is done. If you have ready-made cardamom powder, you may use half a teaspoon of it. In the next step, we'll melt the jaggery in a pan. We'll just add 2 tablespoons of water. We'll melt the jaggery and let the syrup come to a boil. The jaggery syrup has come to a boil. If you find that there are a lot of impurities in the syrup, you may just pass it through a sieve. Now we'll reduce the heat to a minimum. Into that we'll add the sesame seed powder, the peanut powder, powdered cardamom or elaichi, and also the ghee, which is optional. But this gives very soft and smooth laddus. Just give all the ingredients a really good mix. The heat is at minimum now. Once you have mixed the ingredients really well, you need not cook it further because all the ingredients are already cooked. We'll switch off the stove and transfer the contents onto a plate. We'll allow this mixture to cool down a bit, but not very much, hot enough that you can handle it. If it comes down to room temperature, it might become very hard and you may not be able to make laddus. So once you can handle the mixture with your hands, I'm gonna take a little bit of ghee or oil, rub it onto your palms and take a little bit of the mixture, a lime-sized portion, and just roll it into a smooth round laddu. Alright, I have finished making all the laddus. You can make around 20 to 25 laddus depending on the size. I have made 25 smaller laddus. These laddus are really very soft and sufficiently sweet. Immediately transfer the laddus into an airtight container so that they do not dry out. These laddus are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers, as well as healthy fats, which help to maintain healthy skin, hair and bones during the winter months. So do try them out this festive season and let me know how you like it. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit on the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get instant notifications of my new videos. You may also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description box below this video. Until next time, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.